Hi you all, welcome back to CHELL'S Kitchen. I'm back at you with another great video. Yesterday I was just experimenting. I made some shrimp and crab Rangoon egg rolls. I'm going to say it again. I made some shrimp and crab Rangoon egg rolls. I know, it sounds crazy, right? So yeah, I was strolling down Facebook one day and I seen this recipe for crab Rangoon egg rolls. And I thought to myself, I wonder how would that taste with real crab and shrimp. So this is just something I just created, y'all. I made it yesterday. They were so delicious. I posted them to my Facebook page, and I got so many people inboxing me and commenting asking for me to put this on the channel. So that's what we're doing today. So let's get to it, y'all. We're making shrimp and crab Rangoon egg rolls from scratch. So delicious, so yummy. Let's get to it. Alright, so as you all can see, I have my shrimp chopped up. You just want to chop your shrimp up in nice little chunks. I also have my crab leg here. I just went to my local Price Chopper and grabbed one of these for $10. What I'm going to do is rinse this off really well. What we're going to do is crack them and get all the crab meat out. We just want to get the meat out of it. That's it. And yeah, we're going to go ahead and do that. Alright, so what I'm going to do is grab me another plate. And you just do it as if you was eating them. Just going to break it. And you just want all the crab meat basically. So, and if you got some kitchen scissors, they come in handy. These are not kitchen scissors, but they'll work today. And this is all you're doing is just pretty much just cracking them open. And you just want the crab out of it. That's it, that's all. Cut it open. And again, just get the crab meat out. And this is what you just want to do this till you do all your crabs. Just get the meat out. Alright, y'all. So this is everything you would need to make your shrimp and crab Rangoon egg rolls. Here I have shrimp that's chopped up. It's just your basic regular shrimp that you get from your local grocery store. This is probably about 25 shrimps chopped up. So this is your regular shrimp. Right here is my crab meat. What I did was just crack the crab shells and I just dug the meat out. And then last but not least, I have my green onions right here. You get this out of your local produce department where the fresh tomatoes, cucumbers, and all that stuff is. This is where you find this. And this is 3 of these chopped up. You will also need some cream cheese. I just grabbed the cheap cream cheese, y'all. Again, I was just experimenting. I didn't know how this was going to turn out. So I didn't want to be spending a lot of money on something I wasn't sure about. But it is actually really good. Had this left over, so we're going to go ahead and use it. So just get some cream cheese. You want your cream cheese to be room temperature. So make sure when you're going to make this dish, make sure your cream cheese has sitting out for a couple of hours because it needs to be room temperature. You will also need your egg roll wraps. I also got this from my local grocery store. You get this in the produce department, the same department as you get your green onions. Over there with the fresh produce, tomatoes, cucumbers, onions, peppers. It's right over there in the cooler, right over there. Yeah, egg rolls, and then you will also need some coleslaw mix. Again, this is also over there in the produce. When you get your onions and your egg roll wraps, you can also get this as well. It's your coleslaw wrap. Alright, then we will need garlic powder, we will need onion powder, and Worcestershire sauce. Worcestershire sauce. Yeah, I don't know how to say this. How do you say this? I say Worcestershire sauce. Worcestershire. Worcestershire. You need this, y'all. This is what you need. I found this, y'all, and oh my God, y'all, in the grocery store, I searched that grocery store high and low because I did not know where this was. So you all don't have to go through that. I found this in the aisle with the ketchup, the mustard, the barbecue sauce, that aisle. This is where you'll find your Worcestershire sauce at. So get some of this. Alright, and then you will need some you need some sweet and sour sauce, because once you get done, you need something to dip them in. So just get you some sweet and sour sauce. I got this out of the Oriental aisle, yeah, like where they sell the Chinese stuff and the Mexican food, that aisle. I found the sweet and sour sauce. And then you will need some oil to fry them in. I just got some regular vegetable oil here. And that's it. So let's get to it. Let's go ahead and get started. So what we're going to do now, I got me a bowl here. I'm going to get me a spoon now, and we're just going to mix everything together. We're going to put everything in this bowl. Got our green onions going in. We got our crab going in. Fresh crab. Hey, another thing too, y'all. If you don't want to, be dealing with the crab legs and cracking them and got your scissors and doing all that, you can also use imitation crab. I haven't used the imitation crab, but I'm sure it'll be just as good. So yeah, if you don't want to be doing all that, just get you some cheap little imitation crab meat. And then there go the shrimp going in. So we got everything going in there. Don't that look so yummy? Give it a nice little spin. Then we're going to go ahead and add our classic coleslaw mix. Yesterday I used about 2 handfuls, so we're going to do that again today. It's to your discretion, y'all. Again, I made this up. I made it up, so I say about a cup and a half of this. Again, it's to your discretion. If you want more of the coleslaw in there, of course put more. If you want less, of course put less. So yeah, got me about a cup in there, a little over a cup and a half. It's to your discretion. Alright, now what we're going to do is we're going to add our Worcestershire sauce, and we're just going to mix it. Just put some in there. That probably was about 2 tablespoons, a tablespoon and a half. Then you're going to go down with your garlic. You just want to lightly season it with your garlic and lightly season it with your onion powder. Just like that. And then mix it all together. Then, last but not least, we're going to add the cream cheese. This is what brings it all together. This is what had it so creamy and so delicious. I think I'm going to have to get me a knife. 1 second. Just want to open it up. Put your cream cheese in it, just like that. So yesterday, y'all, even though I left it out at room temperature, I realized when I put it in to mix it that it wasn't mixing like it should be mixing. So what I did yesterday, y'all, was I put my cream cheese right back on the plate. And I took it to the microwave, and I microwaved it for about 25 seconds just so it can soften up a little bit more, just so we can just mix it. I don't want to be fighting with the cream cheese and fighting with the bowl. I just want my stuff just to mix. So I'm just going to go ahead and pop this in the microwave for about 20-25 seconds. And I'll be right back. Back out the microwave, and we're going to try this again. See, that's better. That's much better. You just want to mix it all together. You got your shrimp. You got your crab. You got your coleslaw mix. You got your cream cheese. You got onion powder, garlic powder, and Worcestershire sauce. And that's all you need for your filling. I'm just going to mix it up. Now, of course, if you want yours to be really creamy and just oozing out, of course, you will use more cream cheese. If that's what you want. If that's what you're going for. You will use probably a whole 1 1/2. All right, y'all. So I got my mix all mixed up here. I'm going to check it out. Look at that. Don't that look yummy? Got it all mixed up. Alright, so now what we're going to do is go ahead and start prepping. So roll these suckers up. So, you will need a bowl. Put your little water in the bowl. Set that to the side. I'm going to push everything to the back here. We're going to get our wraps out. Alright. And this is how I did them yesterday, y'all. Just took me some wraps out, just like this. Place some to the side. When you start to roll them, you want it to be like a diamond. Shine bright like a diamond. You want it to be like that. So what you're going to do is just scoop you out a nice healthy spoonful full. Scoop you out a handful, spoonful. Just like that. And what we're going to do, you're going to take it up. You're going to bring your sides in, just like that. This is when your water come in. You're going to use your fingertip just to seal it. This helps it seals. And then you're going to continue to roll. And voila. There we have a perfect egg roll, you guys. Boom. And we're just going to keep doing this until we have put all of our mix in here, y'all. I'm not sure how much this is going to make, but we're going to see when I get done. Put another spoonful in there. Go up. Put your sides in. Put your water. And voila. I think I'm going to get me another plate, y'all. I'm using a lot of plates, but it's okay because I got a dishwasher. Sides in. All right, so I have my vegetable oil in a small little shallow pot. This is the same pot I used yesterday, so I just reheated this grease up. Of course, you can use a bigger pot if you want to. You want to put enough grease in there to where your egg rolls are like being deep fried. So that's how much oil you want to have enough to where when you drop your egg roll, it kind of like centers in the middle. So the oil. So yeah, that's it. I got my oil on. It's a little past the medium. Let that get hot. This skillet been on probably about 10-15 minutes, getting at a nice temperature. We have our egg rolls all rolled up and ready to be fried. I ran out of my wonton shell things. I ran out because of course I made some yesterday. But I could have easily made 12. I think this is about 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, I could have easily made 12. So some of them are a little bigger. That's because I still had mix and I wanted to use all the mix. Alright, so let's get to it. So while you do is just drop them in the skillet. Just like that. Now the thing to keep in mind with these wonton shells is that they're really thin, so they cook really fast. So you want to be right over it as it cooks. Right, y'all see they're getting brown. And like as you seen you all when I chopped up my shrimp and I chopped up the crab meat, no, I didn't pre-cook anything. I figured it'll all cook inside of the egg roll because the grease is really hot. So yeah, it would all cook inside of the egg roll. Okay, so I took those two off, y'all. As y'all see, they are perfectly golden brown. And we're going to go ahead and go in with 2 more. Also, my grease was a little too hot too, so I had to calm it down. You know when your grease is too hot, when it starts popping, it's making all this these crazy sounds, and it's popping, your grease is popping everywhere, your grease is too hot. So what I did was turn it down just a little bit, and I actually took my whole pot off the fire for about a minute or 2 to really let it calm down a little bit. As you see, my grease is back calm. I just put my other 2 in there. And I want to say these cook probably about 2 to 3 minutes a piece. 2 to 4 minutes, I'm going to say. 2 to 4 minutes, and they're done. Again, these do not take long to cook at all. So you want to stay over your grease. You want to make sure you don't burn them. Alright, y'all, so this is the finished product. We have fried them all up. I did just use the grease from yesterday. I realized I should have just used fresh grease, but they still turned out beautifully. And this is the finished product. Very simple, very easy. You just mix it all together, roll them bad boys up, throw them in the grease for about 2 to 4 to 5 minutes, take them out, and you got a wonderful, little snack. Again, like I said, Super Bowl is coming up. You just chop them in half and set them pretty around the plate, and yeah, people will eat them up. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and open one up for y'all, just so y'all can see. And that's the egg roll inside, y'all. You got your crab, you got your shrimp, you got your chives, your green onions, got your cream cheese, got it all in there. Delicious. Yummy. I'm gonna take a taste. Delicious. So yummy, y'all. So I just want to thank you all so much for tuning in and watching. Make sure you like and subscribe if you haven't already. Again, if there's something you would like to see me cook or talk on or anything, just make sure you comment below. Again, I appreciate you all, and thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.